Affirm is a buy now, pay later service that allows customers to pay for purchases in installments, often interest free. Integrating Affirm with your Wix website can significantly increase sales by offering flexible payment options. This appeals to a broader customer base, especially those who might otherwise hesitate to make a purchase due to budget constraints. With Affirm, customers can break down the cost of goods into smaller, manageable payments, boosting your average order value by 20 to 30%. As of 2026, connecting Affirm to your Wix site is a straightforward process thanks to Wix's payment gateway options. Affirm is fully compatible with Wix's latest Velo platform, ensuring a smooth connection either directly through Wix's payment settings or via Affirm's developer portal. There's no need for complex coding, making it accessible even if you're not a tech expert. The integration works behind the scenes with a seamless data flow, ensuring everything connects smoothly without any technical hurdles. This seamless integration makes adding Affirm to your Wix site simple and effective for any business owner. To integrate Affirm with your Wix site, start in the Wix editor by navigating to Settings. Click on Accept Payments, then Add Payment Method. This opens the payment gateway options. From the list of payment methods, select Affirm to add it as an option. You'll need to enter your Affirm API keys. These can be found in your Affirm Merchant dashboard under API Keys section. If you don't have an Affirm account, create one through their merchant portal. Verify your business details, including legal name, address, and tax information. Finally, configure your pricing options such as installment durations. Choose from 3, 6, or 12 months and set any applicable fees. Once configured, Affirm will appear as a payment option during checkout on your Wix site. To fully activate Affirm on your Wix site, you need to complete the merchant onboarding process. This involves creating an Affirm account, verifying your business information, and setting up the details for your payment plans. The onboarding process typically includes several verification steps, such as pre-screening, identity verification, merchant history check, and credit risk underwriting. Once your business is verified, you can set up payment plan options like 3, 6, or 12-month installments, with details shown in the Affirm interface. Note that Affirm charges merchants a transaction fee, typically around 2 to 5% per transaction. Make sure to understand these fees and factor them into your pricing strategy to maintain profitability. When customers reach the checkout on your Wix site, they encounter a familiar interface where Affirm appears as a payment option alongside traditional methods. Customers simply select Affirm from the payment options, which then guides them through the process of choosing their preferred installment plan. Once selected, customers provide basic information such as their name, email, and bank details. Affirm uses this to perform a quick risk assessment without requiring a hard credit check. Within seconds, customers receive instant approval for their chosen payment plan, allowing them to complete the purchase immediately without waiting for traditional loan processing. Payments are automatically deducted from the customer's linked bank account or credit card according to the agreed schedule, typically over 3, 6, 12, or 18 months, with no interest if paid on time. This seamless experience builds customer trust by offering flexibility and control over their purchases, ultimately encouraging higher conversion rates and repeat business for your Wix store. Affirm offers several key benefits that make it valuable for Wix businesses. One major benefit is that Affirm provides interest-free payments for customers who make timely payments, reducing financial barriers and making purchases more accessible. Affirm also handles all underwriting and risk assessment, significantly reducing financial risk for merchants like you. Since Wix is a no-code platform, integrating Affirm is simple and ensures your payment methods stay up to date through Wix's app market. Finally, Affirm drives customer conversion. Their 2025 data revealed that 70% of BNPL users were first-time adopters, helping businesses reach new customers. The buy now, pay later industry faces increasing regulatory scrutiny. For example, states like New York require greater transparency and disclosures for BNPL services. Affirm has adapted by adding clear terms and conditions on Wix integrations. Always ensure you are compliant with the latest regulations to avoid potential legal issues. The BNPL market is experiencing explosive growth, with projections indicating it will reach $680 billion globally by 2030, according to Statista. This rapid expansion reflects changing consumer preferences and technological advancements in payment solutions. Regional growth varies, with Asia Pacific leading at 28.4% CAGR through 2030, followed by Latin America at 27.4%, Middle East and Africa at 26.3%, North America at 24.7%, and Europe at 24.3%. These projections from Grandview Research highlight the global momentum of BNPL adoption. Several key trends are shaping the future of BNPL. Personalization, powered by AI, is revolutionizing the experience, with Affirm using algorithms to tailor installment options based on user data. This approach is expected to grow by 40% through 2027, according to Gartner. Integration with loyalty programs is another major trend, as seen in Affirm's partnerships that bundle BNPL with rewards systems. This creates more compelling customer experiences and increases retention. Global expansion continues aggressively, with Affirm entering 10 new markets in 2025, including Latin America. This international growth taps into emerging e-commerce opportunities worldwide. By integrating Affirm with your Wix site, you're positioning your business at the forefront of e-commerce innovation. This strategic move not only enhances today's sales through flexible payment options, but also ensures your store remains competitive as BNPL becomes increasingly dominant in online transactions.